If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The navigation bar in QuickBooks Online contains the Plus New button, which lets you create new transactions. It also contains links that let you open different pages in QuickBooks Online. The navigation bar appears at the left side of the screen. To show or hide the navigation bar, click the Show Hide Navigation Bar toggle button, which looks like a triple bar icon at the left end of the QuickBooks Online toolbar towards the upper left corner of the page. Note that the Plus New button appears at the top of the navigation bar when it is shown on screen, but appears between the What's New and Help buttons in the QuickBooks Online toolbar when the navigation bar is hidden. The navigation bar contains a Bookmarks and Menu section, and you can customize the links in either section. To customize the links in a section of the navigation bar, click the Edit button, which looks like a pencil icon to the right of the section name to edit. Then check or uncheck the names of the pages to show or hide in the Menu or Bookmarks tabs of the Customize Your Menu window that appears, and then click the Save button. Clicking the Page links in the navigation bar opens the Associated Links page in the company file in the area to the right. Within many of these pages, you can also click the tabs at the top of the page to access related page content. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.